Before you sign anything, before you hand over a deposit, before you shake hands with the dealer, there's one step that separates a smart RV purchase from an expensive mistake. The pre-purchase inspection. A pre-purchase inspection is a full, independent walkthrough of the RV, roof to undercarriage, done by a certified RV technician before you finalize the sale. They're checking the roof membrane, seals and seams, the frame, axles and suspension, plumbing, electrical appliances, slide outs, and signs of water intrusion or rot that you'd never catch just walking through on a lot. And here's the biggest thing I want you to walk away with today. Do not let the dealer talk you into using their inspector. It sounds convenient. The dealer says, "Oh, we've got a guy. He'll come out, no hassle." But think about who's paying that inspector's bill. It's the dealer. And more often than you'd think, that inspector is in the dealer's pocket. It doesn't always mean anything shady is happening, but it does mean there's a financial relationship there, and sometimes that relationship means broken items, rotted wood, or electrical and plumbing issues get quietly overlooked so the sale goes through clean. So hire your own independent RV inspector, someone with zero relationship to the dealership, who reports only to you. Yes, it's going to cost you extra money on top of the RV itself, but that inspection fee is nothing compared to what you'll spend fixing rot, replacing a bad slide motor, or dealing with a plumbing leak 6 months down the road. It will save you real money, and it will save you real headaches. Whatever your inspector finds, that report becomes your negotiating tool. You can ask the dealer to fix the issues before closing, knock the price down to cover repairs yourself, or if the findings are bad enough, just walk away entirely. That's the power of doing this right. That's the whole tip. Independent inspector, every time, no exceptions. If this helped you, stick around. This is part of my ongoing RV Buyer's Guide series, and I've got more real-world advice coming so you can buy smart and skip the mistakes I almost made.